These are supposedly dimmable G9 lamps bought from Banggood.com. I selected them because they weren't the cheapest. I selected them because they looked like they were robust. I selected them because I like the filament style LED. I put them into test, and you'll see in a moment they're not great. And then when I took them out, they left 2 pins behind, one in each of the fittings. So they're now useless. And when I look closely, they are the connections. There's no visible solder. It's either a compression joint or some kind of, I have no idea. I'll put the remaining one in and I'll show you what happens. So this is just the one wired directly to a Velbus VMBDMI-R. In the room they do have, the colour temperature is very similar to a dimmed halogen, so I actually quite like that, personally. I like the slight yellow effect when it goes dim, but I don't like the fact that it's on when it's supposed to be off. So let's click and go full brightness. There you go. Still quite yellow in the room, so a warm white bordering on yellow. And a long click to go down. And that's supposedly off. It's a reasonable din curve, looks quite nice, other than the fact it's not off.